Hello guys, welcome to the channel Crypto Global 100. Today I come up with another new video, and this video is all about the EMA strategy. You have heard about many strategies on the YouTube. So today's strategy is very amazing. It is from the Emperor BTC. I have already posted the video of the full course, and the link has been given in the description, and in that video you can go and check out in my video section the ultimate trading cryptocurrency trading course, and you can download the book and you can read it. So that book is amazing. The Emperor BTC person, he's the gem of a person. So I'm gonna talk about his strategy today, EMA strategy. It's good strategy. Let's start this strategy and hope that, and we're gonna check this. We are going to check this strategy on the live charts. We're gonna back test it. Is it profitable or not, and how it's gonna work? So let's start the EMA strategy. So I'm gonna read out with this thing. So what we are starting with that, I'll show you an EMA strategy to make money without any leverage. So what are the tools required? We need 1321 EMA on daily and 200 EMA on the 4 hourly. So we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the let me check where is it. Yeah, we're gonna go to the chart. I'm gonna just skip this 50 EMA might be. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this medium EMA. So we have only got 13, 21 and 200 EMA. 13, 21 and 200 EMA. So what is the we have got this and 200. Okay, let's check it. We have got white line to be the 200 EMA, blue line, a yellow line to be the fast lane, which is the 13 EMA, and the red one is a 21 EMA. So volume confirmation, volume is down there. Okay, so what's next? Premise: bullish crossover on the daily chart for 13 and 21 EMA. Okay, 200 EMA on the 4 hourly chart, acting as support. All breakouts confirmed by the volume. 30, 21 EMA sloping upwards. On a daily chart, 13 and 21 EMAs should form a bullish crossover. The 13 EMAs should be over the 21 EMA after a contraction. Okay, 13 EMAs should be over. Okay, both EMAs should be upward sloping. The price should be above the EMAs. Let's take example here. Daily time frame, he saw here. You can take a look. It was on the 1 day chart, so we can see that it was tested on the 1 day. Daily time frame, price, you can see here the price was above EMAs. Second thing, both EMAs were sloping up. Bullish crossover happening here, you can see at this point, and 21 EMA. On the 4 hour chart, the EMA should act as a support, and entry should be made upon confirmation by volumes. Here is the chart explaining a trade of 40%, 200 EMA support, entry of volume confirmation, addition to position upon accumulation confirmation. So here we can see, if we look at this chart, see here, if we look at this level, entry on 200 EMA acting, entry on 200 EMA acting as support, confirmed by volume, position added. Okay, you see here, if we look closely here at this level, you see it was tested and the price acted on the 200 EMA. Volume breakout was large, and then there was accumulation from where the another position was added. The 200 EMA is powerful enough that after the confirmations on the daily chart, high probability trades can be made without any other tool. And let's check, and here as well you can see the volume breakout with good volume, and the price was supporting on the 200 EMA. Retest was confirmed again, and it went up. So now let's take, here I have explained an entry addition with the help of just volume. So this was another thing. So let's take a look at on the real life examples. So I've got a chart here. Let's take this chart as an example. If we may find a good point, good point where we can, here the volume is good. If we take what was the other thing, okay, 200, I'm gonna check it cross section. Okay, so here you can see at this point I have spotted a point here. Here at this point you see, I don't know is it the right, but the price is above the EMA. You see here, here a good crossover is happening and the price is going above the EMAs. A crossover is happening here. Okay, and this is the contraction period before that. If we look here, this was the contraction period here. So what it said that the 13 EMA should be over the 21 EMA after a contraction. You see here it was a contraction and after that the EMA up. Both EMAs should be sloping upwards. You see the another condition is met. Another condition is met here. So what's next? The price should be above the EMA. Third position is also being met here. The price is above EMA. So we have find a good spot here. Now the next thing is we need to check on the whether it is being spotted on the 200 EMA or not. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Oh god, where was the point? I'm forgetting it. Let's take a look at the point where I was looking for. Let's go back and just wait out. Hold on, guys. Yeah, this is the point on 22nd July. This is 30 July. So we're gonna move back to 30 July. So I'm gonna go back to 30 July. Let's go back and this is the point. Okay, got it. So we have got the point here. Here, if we move this area, this as well. So here, if we look at here, just take a look at here. The bullish crossover here, and the price was testing this level, and it was, you see the volume down here. If we move up, I don't know why the volume is going not increasing. Let me, why the volume is not getting up. I need to make it up. Okay, if we take a look, okay, okay, now let's take a look at here. You see here 200 EMA with the white line was tested several times, and at this point you see here at right at this point when it was with the volume expansion, you see here the volume expansion just like this example here, it was the green candle broke out with a strong volume. See, it went out up with a strong volume. Okay, and then it retested at this level here. You see same thing is happening here as well. Accumulation went on, and after that the price was above 200 EMA level. It was a good point here if we would have taken entry at this point. After the retest was confirmed here, one first step was that price should go above. Okay, here high volume breakout, entry made. The high volume breakout, we can have an entry here. Upon the retest, we can here see that it retested but failed and rejected. We can have more positions added in here, and you see the bullish crossover. After that you can see how the price went up, and it went up crazy. You can see here if we have made an entry here, we would have 70 to 80%, or we can see here 50% at least we have made a profit. So we can exit once we get to this point. Once we break this swing low of the swing high, we can exit from this area, this one, after when it broke this area. So we have made a solid entry here. And if we move again, if we go with the daily chart, so this is a good strategy, I think. So we have to back test it. It needs some time as well. You see the yellow line here again. I have spotted an area. Here you can see the bullish crossover here at this point. If we look at this point, this area, see good volume is up, and let me check with the 400 EMA again. Sorry man, I forget. 23rd November. If we go back, I have to go back. This is bullshit. 23rd November here. So if I look here, you see the bullish crossover. You see the guys, just look at here. The price, the bullish crossover took place here and it moved, and when it became this, the 200 EMA was tested multiple time and rejected. We could have made an entry from here. For example, we could have made an entry here, and after that the price went up, and again it was tested and fake breakout, but it was rejected from this area. Okay, you can see here again the bullish crossover take place from this angle, from this area as well. Not a lot of volume in here, okay, but this was a bullish area, support was there, and the price started to move above, and the candles were above these lines, these two lines, and we could have made a good profit here. You can see a good breakout as well. So this is a good strategy, I think so. I hope so. From if here you can see another 30% here. So this is a strategy, guys. Let's take another example, one example, and we're gonna take the example of might be the old coins like Cardano. So I'm gonna go on to the daily chart. Okay, I'm gonna go to the daily chart. Let's go to daily chart here, and if we take a look at here, we see, if we look at here, the price moved up. If we want, this was a bullish move. If we look in here, for example, if we, how we have got the signal for entry. So this is a contraction period. You see the contraction period, and here at this point, you can see this was the support of 200 EMA, but this is on the daily chart. Here at this area, at this point, let me draw an angle here, this area. Let's check it out. This was on the 11th of November, and let's go back again. 11th of November, here you go. And if we go come here and take a look at here, you see, let me again draw, delete this. So here what happened, the price broke and it went up. Okay, it was retested here, and here we could have taken entry from this area. Okay, this area, because the volume in here as compared to the before candles were not much, but this volume was better than the before candles, other candles. So we could have taken entry at this volume point, like this volume point here. The bullish crossover took place, it went up, candles went up, went down to retest. We had a support on this 200 EMA, and we could have taken entry after that, and before that or after that we can take an entry. If you want secure entry, you can take an entry of the 200 EMA support. So what happened afterwards, you can see the bullish move, and it went up like a crazy. See here, 67% profit. So this is a good strategy to work on. You can either, we can work on BTC pairs as well. Let me check on the BTC pair as well, just for the checking, because BTC pair also moves in console. Let's check this. Let's check this one in the consolidation phase. Let's check it here, or maybe let's have a look at here. If we go back into the history, for example, let's take a look at here, this point. Let's take a look at here. This is the area, So let's spot some candles if where we get this bullish over crossover, this crossover here. Okay, but the price was below 200 EMA. We need this price to get above 200 EMA. So here what happened after the 2000 move here? You can see the price went up and up. No stopping, just up and up. Damn, that's amazing. But we're gonna test it on for our chart as well. Here you can see after the bullish crossover, you can see from here at this candle, if anyone would have taken entry from this candle, you see here, and if we go to the, and this is a 4-hour chart, so you can see here, if anyone would have taken an entry on the 8th of October on this area, man, just take a look at this. Just take a look at this. No stopping. No stopping there. Damn, that is some massive. You see the gains here. I draw this level from, and you see the gains. You could have exit here, 284% of a profit, or you could go a second high, but that's absolutely killer strategy, I think so. You, guys, just try this strategy on your charts, and make sure to test on the past values or the assets as well, so that once you get the confirmation, uh, just apply this strategy on your trading. This is gonna improve your trading a lot. So along with the support and resistance as well, you're gonna get so much help that it would be enough for you to have multiple trades, or you can scalp as well. So that's all from my side, guys. Take care. Bye.